I think I knew from the beginning that it was going to be for the opening of the festival, or it would be shown here for the first day of the festival. So for me, it was to get the dancers ready to be able to make an instant choreography in front of an audience, like an improvisation.
Before the world, you know, it was like it is. I held the loving once, and I was his. And we walked along the river in the sun.
Often when I do these projects, we have not done it so much here, but often when I do it, I want to have a period before the opening where we also have an audience. Because some people can be extremely good in the studio because it's a safe place. But once they start to get in front of an audience, they lose themselves in the adrenaline kick. Tonight we've had an audience on for the first time, which is a very, very different piece that I've seen today than the pieces that I've seen in the studio.
How many days and nights will come and go? Why the only light you see? Motion.
15 years ago, Jo Strømgren, who's our director of our company, made a show called Dance Tribute to the Art of Football, which was a show that mixed football and dance, and it was very, very popular. And he always said that, okay, I want to do this a sequel, or I want to explore this more. And then he had the idea to do the ping pong piece. We started just playing around with different ideas, and working out and seeing what would work and what didn't work, and then we ended up with this show. But this is the first time that we played the ping pong piece outside, and well, just being outside is different in itself, and of course with the beautiful surroundings, it creates a very special atmosphere, I think, for us as dancers. It gives something to the piece.
Uvijek mi je čast i zadovoljstvo biti dijelom Svetog Vinčenta festivala, a ove godine posebno ja sam ovdje sa svojim autorskim dijelom. To je bilo zamišljeno kao plesna instalacija, znači ne interaktivna predstava u smislu da publika mora se uključiti u pokret, ali toliko interaktivna da mi pokrenemo publiku. Svaki put drugačije publika reagira. plesna publika je zapravo najteža. Oni se ne žele ustati, ne žele se maknuti, dok recimo djeca su fantastična. Oni su reagirali, bili su znatiželjni, pomicali su se, pratili su, bili su budni, bili su baš super.
We are Les Slovaks Dance Collective, a company that consists of 5 dancers. We are all coming from Slovakia, but based in Brussels. Except me, I'm in Ljubljana. But we work like this already for several years. And what we present here is our third show, which is called Fragments, which I am very happy because first I thought it's not that easy show to perform outside, but somehow we had the experience from the 2 weeks ago. We performed in Spain also outside, and actually it was very nice, very different ambient. So somehow the show changed naturally, but it's got even a bit more magic. I think it's a piece for people. We like to communicate very directly, so I think people will enjoy it, although I'm a bit also worried. I mean, not worried, I'm curious how people will react. When we see the space, we are already dreaming and imagining to create a new piece, and we thought, well, it would be great actually to come here as a part of the creation process, to spend a few days, maybe 2 weeks here, as a part of the show, to create it here.
Is that a first to say you're falling asleep and watch, or that oh my goodness, what do you think? So performing different, better.
Did you enjoy the show?
Always.
Always. Great. Thank you.
Well, the idea of working this piece was how to create new territories for dance and how to combine a stage performance with the new kind of communication we're going today.
According to the future of places, very, very far like today. The book with that is for me, first interpreter.
This piece I was interested for people to go online and make it happen. Create it together and make it happen live on the stage, because everything is live, even with some people have trouble to get that concept right. So basically we asked some people we put this Facebook page and we asked people to call us during rehearsal and to develop ideas together with people from their house, from Los Angeles, from Paris, from Marseille, from different places in the world, and we created the piece together.
Okay, we're ready. Music, please. Well, when your bones are bleached and broken, let's eat your flesh.
But I don't know if the sound is on.
Leo, can you try like this?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Oh, it's better. It's better. Sorry, it's better.
I zahvaljujući festivalu u St. Vicentu imali smo priliku integrirati u svoj rad Marte, znači jednu skupinu aktivistica iz Pule, koje su isto se na drugačiji način, prvenstveno kroz Boalovo kazalište, bavile iskustvom svojih gubitaka. Rezultat je predstava koja se zapravo buni protiv one vrste svjedočenja na koju smo navikli, znači policijskog svjedočenja. Ja sam taj ta i meni se dogodilo ovo i ono. Jer nam se činilo da je svjedočenje puno dublji i suptilniji proces, a i podrška koju jedne drugoj dajemo je isto tako puno finija, trajnija i manje formalna od onog što se inače u dokumentarističkom kazalištu smatra klasičnim susvjedočenjem.
Bila jedna djevojčica i zvala se... Kako? I zvala se Karen. Bila je mala, bila je plava, bila je gladna, bila je bez majke.
Ista stvar poslije ovih prvih štikli, pa kad idete na svoje mjesto kod trening štikli, čisto malo sa stavom, ne?
A više je šira nego što je.
Da. Jer nakon toga mi se čini da je sve previše lijevo. Znaš kad radimo kanon i oni su na podu tu. Aha. Meni se tu čini da je sve užasno lijevo i ne znam gdje bi se postavilo u odnosu na Martinu.
Pa uvijek zapravo kad radiš koreografiju je to nekako suautorstvo, ali možda zato što se mi već tako dugo svi znamo je zapravo bilo lijepo jer oni koliko god su mladi kao koreografi, ali su već iskusni kao plesači i nekako su znali što hoće, nekako smo brzo došli do nekakvih finalnih produkata. Lijep je taj format gdje zapravo troje ljudi se bavi istom temom, ali na potpuno drugačiji način.
Na primjer, baš u drugom dijelu gdje u biti ima jako puno improvizacije u govoru i gdje se igramo sa asocijacijama i govorimo neke stvari koje su povezane sa temom, ali isto tako sa trenutnim događanjima. Baš nas je Čuk asocirao na neke stvari jer ovdje u San Vincenti stalno čuješ Čuka.
Htjela sam reći zapravo da je Kaštel toliko jedno lijepo mjesto i mislim da svako ko pleše unutar njega bilo koju predstavu, bilo što da izvodi, provodi vrijeme, šeće se po njemu, sigurno radi jednu određenu atmosferu, pa tako i svakom izvođaču i publici.
Zaziv je pokušaj suočavanja sa svim onim ružnim u nama, lijepim u nama i na neki način odvođenja toga u neki intenzitet koji postaje u toj mjeri performativan. Dakle, nešto što je samo po sebi demonski zbog toga jer je amplificirano u svom ekstremu. Ovisi o tome kako se ja osjećam, jer ono dosta je fragilan taj moment kad ja prezivim. Na neki način koliko si on dopušta da ga publika slomi, a s druge strane koliko si on dopusti da zadrži neki svoj integritet i na temelju toga dvoje će ovisiti taj neki feedback loop između mene i publike. Da li će se ono sagraditi nekakvu komunikativnost? I super je to što zapravo ovaj prostor me suzbio da doista ga svedem na njegovu bit.
Smirena sam, ali ko da je ona... Ne, ali... Dobro! Cure, moramo zvati neke medije!
Petra Šelfi, Sara Barbieri, Ivana Pavlović, Karolina Šuša, Martina Tomić i Nina Sakić. I meni se kao njihova, kako je to bila njihova prva inicijativa da rade skupa, činilo dosta interesantno da baš na tome bude naglasak čitave predstave, na njihovom s jedne strane zajedništvo, s druge strane individualnoj snazi koju svaka od njih zastupa na jedinstven način. One, premda se znaju od prije i zajedno su se družile po dvoranama, po raznoraznim radionicama, između ostalog i u Savicenti. Na neki način su zajednički se gradile, izgrađivale, ali prvi puta su zapravo u jednom projektu sve skupa.
All what we are trying to do in the work, doesn't matter if these are past works or future works to come, is to be honest with our ideas. And I truly believe that whatever is going to come, the movement is going to talk about that subject. So that's why I still believe and I still want to be a dancer, and there is so much to tell. To be a dancer or to be an artist is kind of weird, strange. And then we thought like, okay, we are going to talk about that. We are going to talk about the fact of wanting to be strange, to be different, because we believe in those things that we cannot touch, of the intangible. I believe like mixing this innovative art with the most traditional popular context is perfect. Because normally the activities we do, you know it, like we do it in big cities or in crowded places, or in places where they are closer to artificiality. And here, immediately you arrive and immediately you feel people, you feel connection to the normal things. And this we like.
have the two kids sleeping, so we rehearse in the living room. So we have to be quiet. So I can bring, I'm a drummer. And then the thing I can do is to play the drums or percussion. And I cannot play at home, so I start doing some other things with my mouth, or I play on her or something, and then she's like, okay, I like that.
Try to blend music or musician together with the dancing. But we enjoyed it here. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. It's really. You're doing a great job. So congratulations. Keep on.
Rakata